What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Phones and Drones. So we have a little bit of a different video for you guys today. As you can probably tell right from the background here, we are no stranger to electric vehicles, coming from Teslas, coming from different kind of scooter manufacturers, but we are new with the e-bike game. There is a ton of different options out there, ranging an enormous price point. You can get things as low as a few $100s that go to a few $1,000s, just depending on what you are looking for. In today's video, we have one of the less expensive options, and you can actually find this baby on Amazon. I'll throw that affiliate link up down below for you guys. But this is the Likebike Seeker. You can find it on Likebike's own website. On Amazon, like I said, there is a Seeker and a Seeker S. And yeah, these are a much more reasonably price point, basically e-bike. It has pedal assist. It has basically the entirety where the motor will do everything for you, so you don't have to pedal, or you can use it as a traditional bike with different speeds and all of that. It has a range of about 20 to 40 miles, which is somewhat average. It is not the higher end extreme sort of range you're gonna get, but it does go 20 miles an hour as a top speed as well. So as you can see here, it comes 90% assembled. To be honest with you, it took us about 20-25 minutes to get everything put together, and once you actually move it out of the way, you can see just how nice of a bike it actually is. So it comes in a wide range of different colorways, but for the most part, you guys can see it looks like a standard bike, which is what I like the most. It doesn't have a bulky battery sitting out in the way under the seat or over here. It is actually in the frame right here, and you can actually pull it up right here as long as you don't have it locked. It does come in and out. It does take about 4 to 6 hours to charge. However, this looks, again, like a traditional bike. It has your regular, very comfortable seat, all your gauges, and we'll get a closer look here in a minute. I just wanted to show you, this is how it comes. Basically, we had to put on the front tire, the pedals, the actual seat, and the handlebars, but everything else was pretty much done. It is a very sleek, elegant look. These do not have the fat tires though. Keep that in mind if you're looking to go off-road with it. There might be the Seeker S you need to look at, or another brand, but for commuting, this could be the way to go. So starting off with the basics, you do have a battery indicator right here that is also a button to activate the battery and turn it on. So you're gonna wanna hold it for about 6 seconds, and you should see a light turn green. There it is. Now that that is on, you can move to the handlebars here and actually utilize the power button on the handlebars. And right when you do, you can see just how nice this actually looks. It is a full, somewhat color LCD display that gives you a dearth of information here. You obviously have your trip that you're currently on, your odometer, max and average. If you want to cycle through your different modes, you just simply press the up button here, and you can see it's correlating on the screen for the different types of speed. You can change your information you're viewing with the information button right here, and it'll obviously transition over here so you can see your max miles per hour, your average, and again, cycling back through your trip and odometer. Now, what's also neat is on this control here, you do have a headlight, and you can see it's pretty bright. I'll shine over here, trying not to blind you guys. That it comes with, and then also a nice horn. It is a digital horn. It's not obviously a little bell, so that's nice to see. And then over here, you can see you have all of your different speeds. It is a 7-speed, and you adjust your speeds accordingly. If you want to raise it, you can see we're at 7, and then to lower it, you just click back down. It is very, very easy and definitely nice. And then depending on what sort of mode you want to be on, let me sit on this baby here. You can see this is your actual accelerator, and right when we push down, it is trying to go. So that is a quick breakdown on the actual bike. As you can see, it does come with 2 keys in order to lock that battery in that we were just talking about. It comes with a little basket mount, and this is all metal. It comes with the fenders to cover it up. And then obviously you can see just how everything is arranged right here. I think for the price point, again, between $400 and $600, this looks very, very good and will work for a lot of people, especially for a first e-bike. One thing I didn't talk about yet that you can see here, it even has shock absorbers that you can obviously lock if you don't want to deactive or turn them off to keep it open. And guys, I really am blown away with the quality of this. It came packaged very well and was so easy to assemble. I was more surprised in the fact that there was not a lot of videos in regards to this. This is a 2024, so yes, I get it. It's only a couple months old, but still pretty shocking. Let's go ahead and take it out and get you some footage on the bike while it's working. So yeah, as you can tell, very impressed for the price point and what you get here. I'm very curious to know your opinions. Leave a comment down below. Let us know if you want to see more coverage also in regards to other e-bike options. There's a ton out there, like we said. We're hoping to start dabbling in them equally so like we did with our scooters and all that, our e-scooters, and obviously our electric vehicles as well. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to use that referral link if you decide to buy one. We greatly appreciate it. It helps the channel. And we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.